Okay, sige, let us answer this problem. A resistance of 10 ohms is connected in series with two resistances, each of 15 ohms arranged in parallel. What resistance must be shunted across this parallel combination so that the total current shall be 1.5 amperes with 20 volts applied? So we need to understand this problem on how to draw the circuit. So una, meron tayong resistance na 10 ohms. And this 10 ohm resistance is connected in series with a combination of two parallel resistances. So, sino yung dalawang yun? O, ito, yung 15 ohms. So, di ba ito, 10 ohms? And then, ito naman is 15 ohms. No, yung dalawang resistances natin na parallel ay parehas 15 ohms. No? Ayan. And then, what resistance must be shunted across the parallel combination? So, meron daw pala tayo ngayong idadagdag dito in parallel. This is the question of the problem. What is the value of R? So that when we connect this combination to a voltage, the total current is 1.5 amperes. So this will be our circuit. So ito yung combination natin of the resistors. The voltage applied is 20 volts. And nung ginawa nga daw natin yun, there will be a total current, no, na dadaloy, no, the total current which is 1.5 amperes. So let us solve this, no, in two ways siguro. So number one, yung mabilisan. So ano ba ang magandang way in solving the DC circuits? So hangga't kaya nating kumuha ng total quantity, no, hangga't kaya nating kumuha ng total quantity, kunin natin. So let us try to find total quantities. So sa total quantities ng ating circuit, we have the source voltage. So the total voltage is 20 volts. And also binanggit din na ang magiging total current ng combination is 1.5 amperes. Since we have the total voltage and the total current, there is the chance to find the total resistance. So by Ohm's law, 20 volts divided by 1.5 amperes. And by solving this, we have 20 divided by 1.5. Ang resistance natin is 40/3. Now, this is the total resistance, 40/3. At dahil meron na tayo ngayong total resistance, which is 40/3, we can now find, I think, no, the value of the letter R. Sana masundan natin itong magiging solution natin na to na mabilisan. Di ba kung isosolve natin yung total resistance ng ating combination, we have the 10 ohm resistor, nakaseries siya. So dahil nakaseries siya, i-add natin. Saan naman natin i-add itong nakaseries na to? I-add natin sa tatlong resistors na nakaparallel. So dahil merong tatlong resistors na nakaparallel, isi-simplify natin yung tatlo na yon. Diba si 15? Diba ganito natin sinisimplify yung parallel resistors? 15 raised to negative 1 yung una, and then 15 raised to negative 1 yung pangalawa, and then R raised to negative 1 yung pangatlo. And do not forget, no, yung total quantities na to, sa outside nun merong raised to negative 1. And this will be now the combination. Diba? And if we are now going to substitute RT as 40/3, pwede na tayong mag-shift solve for the value of the letter R na hinahanap. So we must prove that the answer is 6 ohms. So, kung pinapayagan kayong mag-shift solve, so mas maganda. 40/3 is equal to 10 na nakaseries sa parallel combination. So yung naka-parallel combination is 15 negative 1 plus 15 negative 1 plus the unknown resistor negative 1 raised to negative 1, and then ayan. Shift solve, we must prove that the answer is 6. Okay. Now, sinabi na ng calculator, our answer is 6. ohms. So that is our first solution. So pwede rin naman nating sagutan itong problem na 'to 'no, using a second solution. So meron naman tayong iba't ibang ideas 'no, on how to solve this circuit. So ilipat na lang natin siya dito. Ayan, and let us solve for the value of the letter R. So ano kaya ang pwede nating gawin na solution pa din? So from our total voltage, which is equal to 20, pwede natin yang hatiin, di ba? This is the letter A, and itong combination naman na 'to, yung letter B. So we can say here that the total voltage is VA plus VB. The total voltage is 20. Since we have the available current in the series connection, so yung 1.5 na 'to dadaloy ng buo kay letter A, no? Using IR, using V is equal to IR. So ang current natin is 1.5 and the resistance for letter A is 10. So dito, find natin siguro what will be the voltage in letter B. No, yung letter B combination natin. So solving for the voltage letter B, we have 20 minus 1.5 times 10. So 5 volts. So combination na to, ito, since silang tatlo ay nakaparallel, silang tatlo ay mayroong 5 volts each kasi parallel. At dahil meron ng available voltage, we can now use the total current combination ng ating parallel. 'Di ba kapag parallel, so kung focus na tayo ngayon sa letter B, no? Focus tayo sa letter B na nakabox. 'Di ba meron silang total current kasi parallel connected resistor sila, tatlo 'yon. So yung total current is yung current na naki number 1, so ito si number 1, number 2, and number 3. Current na nakay number 2 and current na nakay number 3. What is the total current? Siyempre, yung total current na meron si letter B, no, yung buong current na meron si letter B, ganun din naman yung letter A, and also ayun yung pinaka-total. Kasi 'di ba si letter A, yung buong letter A, and yung buong letter B, naka-series. No, in series connection, parehas ang kuryente na 1.5. Next, no, from our Ohm's law, we can say that the current is V over R. For number 1, ano yung V over R niya? So sabi natin 'di ba since parallel silang tatlo, lahat sila pare-parehas na mayroong 5 volts. So yung V over R ni number 1 is 5 over 15. Yung V over R ni number 2, 5 over 15 pa din kasi same resistor sila. And then lastly, for the number 3, ang V over R niya is 5 volts divided by the unknown letter R. Siyempre dahil same circuit ang kino-consider natin dito, the resistor must be 6 pa din, no? 1.5 is equal to 5 over 15 plus 5 over 15 or 1/3, no? Plus 5 over R. And then shift solve. No, the answer still is 6 ohms. I hope na we get the idea or the suggestion na hangga't kaya nating mag-solve ng total quantity, try to solve that total quantity. And then kapag may total ka na, try mo na ngayon i-relate per component. Mahahati ba siya or same lang?